Now that the rain has finally given us a break, we have been hard at work getting our landscaping done on our lake house build. This week we are installing our Modular Walls wall solution. The hardest part of this job is our sloped block and getting things up and down, but the DIY installation is easier than you might think. We have chosen the EstateWall. We love the design and love the look of the larger posts, which helps to create a grand front boundary wall and entrance. Once the posts go in, it all comes together very fast. As you can see here, the walls slide into place pretty easily, especially if you have a pink overall wearing apprentice on hand. Jesse is now putting the caps on, and our next job is to paint, and we will clad the posts with some veneer stone. So stay tuned for the reveal.